Hello and welcome back to Learn English with Sadi, your space to listen, repeat, shadow, and learn English naturally. I'm Sadi and I'm happy you're here. In this episode, we'll speak slowly and clearly. We'll talk about one simple but powerful topic, your daily routine. By the end, you'll be able to describe your whole day, morning, afternoon, and evening, in full English sentences. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to try, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Talking about your day is one of the best ways to practice English. Why? Because your day is real. You live it every day. You already know what happens, so it's easy to find words. When you describe your day, you practice real English, the kind you use with people in real life. You don't have to talk about history or politics. You just talk about yourself, your life, your actions, and your feelings. Every time you do this, your English becomes more natural. You stop translating in your head. You start thinking in English. Let's start with the morning. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I wake up earlier if I have a lot to do. I stretch my arms, take a deep breath, and get out of bed. Then I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and wash my face. Cold water helps me feel fresh and awake. If I feel sleepy, I take a quick shower. Sometimes I play soft music or listen to English audio while I get ready. After that, I put on clean clothes, usually jeans and a t shirt. Then I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast. I eat something simple like eggs, toast, or cereal with milk. I drink coffee or tea while checking my phone or reading messages. Before I leave home, I check my calendar, pack my bag, and make sure I have everything: phone, keys, notebook, and water bottle. And then I put on my shoes and go out to start my day. Now, shadow this short story. In the morning, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth, eat breakfast, drink coffee, and go. Now let's move to the afternoon. After lunch, I usually go back to work. Sometimes I feel sleepy after eating. I check my emails, attend meetings, and write reports. If I work from home, I sit at my desk with my laptop. I like to keep my desk clean. It helps me focus better. Around 3 o'clock, I take a short break. I drink tea or water and eat a small snack like fruit or biscuits. If the weather is nice, I go outside for a short walk to get some fresh air. When I have free time, I study English. I listen to podcasts, read short articles, or watch slow English videos. Sometimes I shadow sentences to practice pronunciation. This helps me speak more clearly and think faster in English. Before I finish work, I write down what I did today and plan for tomorrow. I also note one new English word I learned. Now, shadow this short story. In the afternoon, I work, take a tea break, and sometimes go for a walk. When I have free time, I study English to keep improving. Evening is my favorite time of day. It's time to relax and recharge. I usually come home around 6. I take off my shoes and rest for a few minutes. Then I cook dinner or order food if I feel tired. I eat at the table with my family and talk about our day. After dinner, I clean the kitchen, wash the dishes, and maybe go for a short walk outside. Sometimes I watch a movie, listen to soft music, or read a book. Before bed, I take a shower, brush my teeth, and get ready to sleep. I usually go to bed around 10 or 11 o'clock. Now, shadow this short story. In the evening, I eat dinner with my family, relax, and prepare for bed. Isha, before sleeping, I read a little or listen to calming music. Now it's your turn. Think about your own daily routine. Ask yourself these questions. What time do I wake up? What do I eat for breakfast? Do I go to school or work? What do I do in the afternoon? How do I relax in the evening? You can say, in the morning, I wake up at 7. In the afternoon, I study or work. In the evening, I relax and talk to my family. That's it. Simple, clear, real English. You can record yourself, listen back, and notice your progress. Remember, one sentence today, two tomorrow, and soon. Full stories. You did great today. You listened, repeated, and practiced shadowing real English. Every time you do this, you get better. You're not just studying English, you're using English. Keep practicing every day. Listen again, shadow again, and make it part of your routine. You're learning step by step, word by word, and you should be proud of yourself. This is English Learning Channel. I'm Sadi Tapa, and I'm proud of your progress. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. See you next time.